Well, guys, so this is the second video of today. This one we're going to be going over the harmonics again. This time we're going to be looking at the harmonic fire, not the pitchforks. This is just harmonic fire. Okay, so let me just bear with me for a minute or two. Just going to share the screen. What I'm going to do is I'm going to keep it based upon the same pair as what I traded this morning to grab the 10 pips. Okay, so as you can see, we've got our XABCD. Okay, now the harmonics, the harmonic fire is based upon the D point. Okay, one candle to the left. Okay, so we're going to highlight this and I'm going to go over this properly for you. So we've got the D point, one candle to the left. Okay, and I'm just going to put the bar replay on a moment. So I'm just going to put this on here. So this is where the D point is, right? So we've got D point, one candle to the left. Okay, we wait for a break of structure of our money zone. Okay, this is our money zone. Now I'm going to try and be slow and as precise as I possibly can. Okay, so I don't have to repeat any sort of questions. If you have any queries or questions, please put them in the advanced chat area inside the Discord. I get a lot of private messages on a day-to-day basis. I do reply to everybody, but you'll get a much better reply if you put it inside the advanced chat area. So just to reiterate, we've got the D point and we're swinging it down one candle to the left, okay, which is here. Okay, now what we do is we wait for price, okay, to come out and show its hand out of the money zone. There's got to be the body of the candle. Okay, and we had a terrible wick here. Okay, so this is where price wicked and went to. Okay, but then we had the body here. So I would drill this down to a 15-minute entry. Now this is where the wick was. I'm just going to bring this down again. This is one candle to the left. Okay, and that would be that area there. Okay, let's take a look. One candle to the left. There we are. Right, let's just see if we can zoom into here. Right, so we've had a break of structure here. Okay, as you can see, this would be a short in this instance on the 75. And I've got this, there's a couple of areas that you could do. You can either do bang on the D, or you can go to the buffer zone, which is the 0.25 area. Generally, if you were breaking this down from a 1 hour down to a 15-minute, putting it on the buffer zone would be a better option. What we'll do is we'll swing this right out. We'll drill this up to the 3 area. Okay, there's a risk to reward of 1 to 2.36. Okay, so we've come in, we've got our new money zone here, which is the entry. Okay, that's our new entry money zone. We'll have that as orange. It's come in, it's ended, and then within 45 minutes you've got your first strike. Now watch this. So I'm just going to put TP. So it went once. If we come back in, second entry, okay, hasn't stopped us out. There's twice because it's wicked in. So it's hit TP twice. It's had entry and TP twice. Let's go in. See if we get another entry, or is it just going to be 2 lots of TPs? You could see that's an entry there. There's a third, so it's done a re-entry 3 times and TP'd. Any more? and that's it. So 3, okay, 3 times 2.36. Let's just have a look at this. 3 times 2.36. There's a risk to reward that it's given you of 7.08. Now, this doesn't always happen on every harmonic pair. You will get sort of re-entries at certain times on these patterns, and they are very successful. I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to try and find another pair and we can run through it again. So just bear with me for one moment. Right, so I'm doing this one live, but recording it. Obviously, I've not sort of waited for a play out. I'm just going to see what happens. So if there is a mistake, you're going to see it live in front of you. Let's play this pattern out. Okay, so again, what we're doing is D point, candle to the left. Okay, you can see we've had a break of structure. Okay, a break of structure. What I mean by that is one candle to the left. Okay, so I'm just going to get my trusty fire wand out here, as I call it. Right, so what you're finding is, okay, this is the 1 hour. Right, now we've got the D point, we've got the buffer zone, and we've got one candle to the left, which is this here. That's the bottom one, candle to the left. We've had a break of structure right here. Okay, clearly see that. And like I say, when I see a break of structure, it's a break out of the candle and out of this money zone. So this was potentially the money zone on the 1 hour. Okay, this was the money zone on the 1 hour, and you can enter these on the 1 hour and leave it on the 1 hour, but you can refine the entry. Okay, so that is the 1 hour. That there is the 1 hour entry. Okay, but to get super refined entry, if we just go on to the chart and we play it from there. Okay, let's play it from where it's at, and again, there could be chances for other entries on this. We just go, there's your break. Okay, and there's an entry straight away. If we go down to the 15-minute and see if there was any entries on the 15-minute. So there is your candle. Okay, the D point, one candle to the left, and we can see that that's repainted there. So we've had a clear out. Okay, this here is now our 15-minute entry. 15-minute entry. So this has been drilled down from the 1 hour. Okay, so if we continue to play, now you can do it either from the 1 or you can do it from the 75. It's touched the 1. Let's see if we get a 75 touch. We're in the 75. Okay, so you would have been going for a long position in this instance. You could bring it down to the 25 if you wish. The minus 25 for a buffer. If you wanted to go super tight, you can also do on the plus 25 or the D point. Okay, we'll just see what it's going to do to 2.35. We do from there to 1.5. I'm going to do it on the D point in this instance, and we're going to span this out. Okay, let's just see if it does. Let's see if it has given the first TP or not, or if it's still in play. There's TP1. Okay, so we've got a TP1 hit. So I'm just going to put TP1 for now. Okay, and let's see if we get a second entry, or has it just actually spiked up? Right, it's spiked further up. Will it come back into play? It's coming back down. Is it going to touch into entry? Not quite yet. So we've had another one there. So there's a 2.32. Okay, plus on the USD JPY, which was, what was it? It was 7 point odd, wasn't it? It was 7 point odd. So we just see a 7% plus this one here, which is a 2.32. You know, so there's nearly 10% in the growth on that alone. This one's still in play. Generally, when it comes to these, I would possibly, excuse me, possibly only look for no more than a second entry. Third entry can happen as it's done the USD JPY, but it's very, very rare. But I've just shown you there on the basis of the harmonic fire procedure. It's a case of go back to the beginning of the video, watch how I play these out. Okay, you're looking for that 1 hour. You then do one candle to the left, wicks included. You then wait for the break of structure on the 1 hour of the money zone, okay? And then you can drill it down to 15-minute. Watch the video back, take notes. If you get stuck, just reach out to me. Drop your comments in the advanced chat in the Discord. I do get a lot of private messages as well. If you put them in the advanced chat area, it's going to not only help yourself, but it will help others that are possibly wondering about the same question as well, to be fair, rather than being a personal inbox message to you. So if you have any questions, please just put them out there. I may do 1 or 2 entries this week based upon that sort of style and structure. At the moment, we're still working upon the pitchforks. We're doing that forward test this morning. We had some good profits on that. We started on a 10K account. We're slowly building the profits bit by bit. Even though it's a 10K account, we are looking to just get 10 pips a day or a minimum of £10 a day, just slowly build and build and build. And then we can increase the lot size as we go on using a smart trading technique. Not smart money, it's smart trading. And there's more on that inside this Discord. Okay, guys, so that's it for the harmonic fire video of the day. Any questions, just pop it in the Discord. Or if you're watching this and you're not in the Discord, you want to be in there, give us a shout out and I'll get you inside. Okay, guys? I'll catch you all later on.